Hello all. So I know this ceiling fan is kind of low. I don't know if you can see it with the light switch, but I kind of did that for my roommate. He's pretty tall.
Yeah.
But a little bit about how I learned how to navigate situations like this. When I very first got my very first ceiling fan, even though it was a flush mount, my current stepdad at the time, his head would come right on the blades. I mean, the ceiling fan would act like a guillotine. So I know how to navigate situations like this. For safety reasons, I do not run the ceiling fan when others are in the room. I only run it when I am in the room for safety reasons. Like I said, I know how to navigate situations like this. This is my nighttime ceiling fan. This is my nighttime fan. I know that it's not the original canopy. Story behind that is, we all know what a pain in the ass it is to go, hey, did this hanging bracket work with this receiver? Oh no. Really? I gotta take the ceiling fan down and put a new hanging bracket up. Does this one work? No. I gotta put a new hanging bracket up. It's like I knew that this hanging bracket and canopy would work, so I just stuck with it. Without further ado, here are the lights.
Oh wow.
Here is off. Here is low. The remote system starts up kind of fast. Here's medium. I should add some air to it. Yeah, you can feel some air on medium. And last but not least, grand finale, high. Uh-oh, that's not good. I gotta balance the ceiling fan. That's too low. Okay, maybe I won't run it on high. That was actually my first time running it on high, so I gotta balance the ceiling fan. But majority of the time I just run it on medium anyways. So, off. I don't know what the ceiling fan is called. I looked up on Google AI. I looked up the model number. This, that, and the other. I cannot find the name of the ceiling fan. It is a 2006 model, and that is all I know. Okay, I'm not going to do the spin down on this thing. It's pretty much a typical Hampton based ceiling fan spin down. Okay, if anyone knows the name of this ceiling fan, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.